Hello and welcome back to Draw with a Boba. Today we'll be drawing Sanrio's My Melody. Alright, we want to start off with the eyes. We're going to just do almost like these little pill-shaped eyes. One on the left. Let's add a little bit of the highlight and color in the eye really quick towards the bottom. Like so. And we want to repeat the same eye on the right. Simple pill shape, little highlight, and fill in. And once you're done with the eyes, we want to do a little nose in the middle, right around here, and a little cute smile. Once you're done with the face, we can start off with the head, starting from the top left. We want to go down, go around, and back up, and we're gonna stop around the same spot. This is where we're gonna start the ear, go up, down, curve, and end around here. For the other ear, we want to start around here, go up, out, and down. Stop right here, and we're gonna start on the little flower. It's just going to be 4 petals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In a circle in the middle. The face is almost done. We just need to do a little circle to split the head and the face. And once you're done with the head, let's move over to the body. There is like 2 little pieces of clothing on either side. We're going to start with 2 lines and then 2 more lines, and we just want to connect. Like so. For one of the arms, we want to start off on this side, rotate, in a line down for the body. And the other side, it's going to be an arm down and a line for the body. And we just need 2 feet. Let's start off with a big oval on this side for 1 foot, and another on the other side for the other foot. And finally, the bottom, which is gonna be the bottom of the body. Once you're done with your drawing, all we need is color real quick. And there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.